Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to turn on energy saving on Microsoft Surface Pro 12. To do that, we have to open the control center by tapping these three icons on the taskbar. Then you have to tap the battery icon to open the power and battery settings. And after that, we have to expand the battery energy saver menu. To manually enable it, switch the toggle to the right. If you don't want the screen to be dimmer, switch this option off. And if you want it to turn on automatically at some point, you have to select this point from this list, or just select on battery, which will make your energy saver active when your tablet is disconnected from the charging cable. And also, if you want to use energy saver without enabling the energy saver mode, you can change the power mode from best performance or balanced to best power efficiency. And that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.